Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good afternoon everybody. My name is Danindra Hersakanaya. I am the student Civil Engineering Program Sultan Agung University Semarang. Do you know the world famous Leaning Tower? It is called Pisa Tower. Now, my purpose today is to tell you more about the steps of construction the tower. To start with, I will tell you some fun fact. After that, I will tell you why does the tower tilt. Then I will share you the steps of construction. I'll try to answer any of your question after the presentation. I'd like to start by some fun fact the tower. Originally designed to be a bell tower, it stood upright for 5 years, but when the third floor was complete in 1178, it began to lean. Tower of Pisa is more accurately referred to simply as the Bell Tower or Compline. The Pisa Tower is one of the four buildings that make up the Cathedral complex in Pisa, Italy. The Tower of Pisa hosts seven bells with the lyrics weighing over 3,600 kilograms. In 1178, the construction was halted for about 100 years because the tower started to lean and because the people of Pisa were often at war with Genoa, Lucca, and Florence. Well, I've told you some fun fact the tower. Now we'll move on to why does the tilt. The tilt was noticeable as works built the second floor. The shift was caused by shallow foundation of 3 meters and due to soft ground which could not properly support the structure weight. Harnessing the monument with gigantic steel cable, the skin of cables you find on a suspended braid to prevent it from collapsing during the works and to pull it back once the soil was prepared for this operation. Digging wells under the foundation of the tower, 60 cubic meters of clay were removed. Draining water from the wells, reinforcing the foundation with concrete 15-meter concrete pillars were inserted into the ground. That's all I have to say about why does the tower tilt. Let me turn now to stage construction. The tower's construction was carried out in 3 stages and takes 199 years. The first stage involved the construction of the tower's base, which consisted of a circular foundation measuring 15 meters in diameter and 24 meters in height. The foundation was constructed using a mixture of clay, sand, and silt. The second stage of construction involved the addition of the first 3 floors, which were built using with marble. The floors were designed with a series of arches and columns, giving the tower its distinctive appearance. The third stage of construction saw the addition of the final 3 floors, which were complete using with marble, but due to the lean, they were complete with a slightly different inclination to try to correct the tower's lean. We looked at stage construction. And this is the reference we took in making this presentation. In conclusion, Tower of Pisa, the most famous leaning tower in the world, and the construction had three stacks over almost 200 years. May I thank you all for being such an attentive audience. Are there any questions? Okay, if there's no question, I'll end up my presentation. Thank you. Bye bye.